All right, folks, we're coming in with the mic on this time. Yeah, man. We are live. We are in a game. We are playing E4 against Saza7212 because Saza7211 was already taken. It's the accelerated Nadorf. I'm just going to develop my pieces, guys. I don't know what that move is. What is it? Who does that? Oh, he's doing this. Okay. We're going to take the big center, classically. There's a queen check available. He pushes. We develop our knight. Yes, this guy has a line. I don't want to lose my rating to undercover 600s. It's unrated. It's not an arena, it's a tournament, and it's unrated. Yes, we do it unrated now. And people think they don't get banned from playing. This is not a good move. He's attacking a pawn, so I guess we defend the pawn. This could be a good move. I almost want to relieve, man. I almost want to relieve the pressure, guys. That's bad. Don't relieve the pressure. I have a correction, guys. I have a correction. We understand that which we make dialogue about. We were talking yesterday about the best way to get better at chess, and I was explaining the way I was taught and the way almost every grandmaster became a grandmaster is from playing slow chess, like 4-hour games, classical chess. Daniel Abbott, what's up, my brother? And while that in itself is true, I saw a great video by a grandmaster. How we do this? Wait. Do we attack? No, because the pawn's protected now. I think we attack. But this is important, Daniel. What the Grandmaster said. He was talking about time. Basically, what he was saying was, if you only have 6 hours a week to play chess, you can play what? One tournament over the board classical game, and then maybe spend an hour, half an hour going over it, learning from it, and then a little bit of time to study, maybe, learn some stuff. It's not much time. 6 hours a week. You're not going to improve very much by playing only classical chess. So in that situation, if you can't commit to Tuesday night at the local club playing one classic game, playing at home on Wednesday after work for an hour or something, right? Studying for a half an hour, doing some puzzles on Thursday. Friday night, Pasadena Chess Club, you go play another 4-hour classical game, right? If you don't have time to do that, then yeah, 10-minute games, 15-minute games, because you need to play. You need to play chess to get better. It's just that the slower chess that you can play. So I think I'm going to change my recommendation to play the longest time control you can play, the slowest chess you can play, and still play plenty of chess. If we take, there's a pawn structure change. I have this open file. There's a weak pawn here. He's attacking my bishop. I could spend the time to develop, and if knight takes, I mate him. So we're going to do this and call that a mistake. Well, it's not mate, but it's a good enough threat. Do you understand what I'm saying? Play the longest time control that you can afford to play and still play plenty of chess. If you have a finite amount of time to play chess, yeah, that's a good move. Now, I think, yeah, maybe this wasn't so good. It felt good. It really did. And castling queenside, the pawn storm could come quick. So maybe that was not a good move. Maybe that was not a good move. Maybe bishop back. And then, oh, the knight. Yeah, bishop back. And then I got to figure out what I'm going to do with my king. This pawn would be loose then. Look at my development. I am crushing in development right now, right? I thought this was a good move, and I think it was a bad move. I think I'm going to take. I think I'm going to take this, and then I'll show you my idea. I'll show you my plan. My poor bishop is being attacked. That's bad. I can bring the bishop back to this square with tempo. Looking. Now, do I want to castle into the open C file? I don't know, actually. Wow. Okay. Giving up the pawn. Am I missing something? Bishop takes. He could do something maybe like G6. Rook takes. I think I can then castle. I think I'm supposed to castle here. And I think I'm supposed to castle this way. Then he can defend it. Bishop takes G6 castles. Then I'd be threatening. Bishop takes pawn threatening mate. But see, bishop takes G6 castles. He can then just play bishop G7, defend the rook. Are there any weak squares I can attack? I think I just castle. And this is going to be a good move, and this will be a good move. I might have to play C3. This is my good bishop. I really don't want him to have this bishop and me have this bishop because of the bad bishop. So I'll just bring... Oh my god. If he comes here, I have to play king over. I have to give the bishop up. So knight b4 is a good move. But he's developing my rook. You're welcome, Osler. Yeah. Daniel says 30-minute looks good, and that's not enough. I played these kids that were easy, then they did their homework. I was a little annoyed because one was beating the crap out of my clock. Yeah, dude. Dude, preparation. I'm surprised so many of you people have played me over and over and over again. And I play very often the same openings, and you guys don't test me. I think Josh may have learned something to play against the Latvian Gambit. Do I have any checks? I can do this now. Knight. Yeah, I want to do it now. Call me crazy, folks. Call me absolutely psycho. Right? Okay, now I attack the knight. And I threaten this move. That was the idea behind castling, guys. That was the idea behind castling. I'm not losing on time because I'm actually moving pretty quick. So if you play me and you play E4, especially on Mondays and Wednesdays, no, Mondays and Thursdays, on 1 minute chess and 3 minute chess, I pretty much always play a Latvian because it's fun for me. And you guys, if you're the smartest thing that you can do in that situation, people just give me a better game rather than going into the traps. Sometimes you outplay me with it. Most of the time I get a better opening. But you could literally learn the refutation where you get the best game possible. And then when that would happen, I would change to a different variation in the Latvian and make you go learn that. But you guys aren't beating me. You guys aren't doing better. Guys, is this good? This was good, I think. He thought he could take a free pawn with check. It was a free pawn with check. He didn't see the tactics. When I was playing FIDE Master David Bassett here a lot on stream, I was playing Sicilian Dragons because I know it pretty good. At least I used to. I felt like I do. I mean, for myself. For a low-rated player, I know the dragon pretty good. And he was crushing me. And so I would go to the opening database and memorize things and learn and try and get some kind of ideas and see what I'm doing wrong. How do I beat him? Now, FIDE Master David Bassett is playing against the opening book and Stockfish. One move deeper next time we play. Yeah, that's what it takes. And then I couldn't beat him, of course, because he's much... Wow. Okay. Check. King over. I have a bishop check. King over. Check. King over. Bishop check. King over. Queen takes. King over. Bishop again. The king can come to this square. What's he threatening? Check, king, check, king. Takes a pawn on a square, but my bishop's going to be covering it. My king will be in a little bit of trouble, and I have defensive maneuvers, and I'm going to take a rook, and his king is going to be walking. I think this is a losing move. And I think now, before I make a move, I'm going to think about it. Good evening. When is the weekly open chess tournament? Oopie. It starts in 47chess.com minutes. There is a link in the description. You go to Chess Chillers on chess.com. You go to clubs. You search for Chess Chillers. Join the club, and you'll see a join button. You'll see... Once you join the club, which of course is free, then you'll see a big tournament thing, a thing to join the tournament. You'll see it right there on the Chillers page. Yeah. The question is, do I take with the bishop? I think I don't, because I want to take this pawn with check. Or wait, queen takes check. King over, rook takes rook. Now I'm on the bishop with check, threatening mate. Queen check, king over. Knight check, rook takes. So I think it's queen takes and then rook takes. Because there's no threats that I see. I think I got him, right? Okay, now, do we undefend the pawn for another check? It forces him to this square. Oh, then I have this move, check. Then he's forced to this square. Then I have this move, check. And he is forced to come to one of these two squares. Well, he can only come to this square. Then I can take this rook. So all those threats are just there. So I think we can take the rook. I can take the rook. I have to just look at this. Rook takes rook. Queen check. King c1. He has a check here. I just take it. If he says check on a1, because I'll be on c1, I go to d2. And then he can take this with a threat here, but it's too much. Oh, no, there's no threat because my bishop is here. Yeah, so it's absolutely crushing. I think I'd take the rook. I think my king is safe. I think he has nothing. All right, guys. We'll see if I win this game. I blundered yesterday, guys. I was winning. Yesterday's game was way harder fought. I was inching for micro advantages, and I just was a little bit better than I won a pawn. A little bit better, won another pawn. I was winning, and I dropped the bishop. No! I dropped the bishop, folks. We're never doing that again, guys. That's bad. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring and other games after dark. In the evenings, if you will. Hey, Melty, Crix, how do I pronounce your name, Crix Multi? I don't know what it means. Kev Dog, how you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. Oh, thanks, missed that. My bad. No, it's okay, Oopie. You did nothing wrong. Did I sound condescending when I said, it's in the pinned comment, blind man? Like, I didn't say that, right? I was just like, there's a pinned comment. Yeah, I want you to play the tournament. I've seen you here before, Oopie. I know your name, brother. Krummelty. It's like instant tea in German. He resigned! Wow. This is a game that I don't know, but this could be one of those crazy games with a really high accuracy. I don't know. Maybe Bishop C4 was good. Hey, one more Twitch user. I like the jacket. The blue is nice, buddy. Thank you. It's a shirt. These shirts, when they came out on the scene, let me tell you about these shirts. When this shirt came out on the scene, okay? Because you know, I'm on the scene, folks. Look at that shirt. Look at that shirt. It's beautiful. I have the same thing in black. So all this blue is black on black. So it's still kind of shiny in these spots, but it's not as, it doesn't pop the same, right? But dude, these shirts came out, they were like $49. Maybe, dude, they weren't like, they should have been more money, I think. Then I would have just maybe bought one. They were really reasonably priced for a brand new quality, spiffy, pearl snap Western shirt. And everybody bought one. My dad's got them. My dad has a red one. I mean, out in California, my sister bought one for my dad, or bought a couple for my dad for his birthday. And so, wow, this is an awesome shirt. It is possible to see it in the wild. Yeah. What do you guys think the accuracy on this is, guys? It could, if there's just a couple moves that I might have made. Yeah, 91%. It's a short game, and I made a mistake. Your positional mastery in the middle game really shined through, resulting in a well-deserved victory. Thank you, Magnus Carlsen. Let's hear him say it himself.
Your positional mastery in the middle game really shined through, resulting in a well-deserved victory.
Guys, Magnus approved. I was going to say that is tight. I don't know if I could sport it, though. Well, you know what? You might surprise yourself. You might surprise yourself. That shirt tells me you're from Texas. It's funny because I live in Texas, and I've been in Texas for... Is it June? Dude, I've been in Texas for 19 years. I've been in Texas for 19 years. I had my 40th birthday here. I grew up in California. I'm like, oh, yeah. Yeah, so either way, these shirts are, and it's a little heavy. It's not good for a hot day. Although I'm going to tell you guys a trick too. You're going to love this, Daniel. I don't know if it's an insecurity thing or what. I don't know. Where does this come from? Show off? I don't know what I'm doing, guys. On a hot day, I always wear a long sleeve, although I will roll them up, a long sleeve button-down shirt. So if we're going to a cook-off, a chili cook-off or something, big outdoor thing, everyone's there, 100 degrees outside, people wearing shorts, flip-flops, t-shirts, visor. No, not Charlie Sardo Gaming. I'll wear this freaking shirt. And the thing about it is, I'm the only one that looks good. Because I'm cheating. Because I'm dressing way too hot for the weather. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's dumb. I know. But it's a cheat code. It's a cheat code. And it's not overdressing. You can overdress, right? You can wear a black tie thing to a casual, a football party or something, right? And I won't. This is a fancy shirt. This is what I call a gig shirt. I would not wear this shirt out to the club just to go hang out. My friend Magic Sam Massey is playing at the Smokehouse Guitar Army. The guy who gave me this guitar right here. And no, the acoustic's not on the wall. Friday night he's playing, and I could go see him play. I would be going to watch. I would not wear this to go out like that. This one was so loud. This is a stage shirt. I wear it to a gig because I'm on stage. Hey, it's show business, right? But the black one I've worn out before because it's not near as loud, right? It's not near as loud. It's probably better than a turtleneck on a hot day. Dude, here's my point. I don't wear turtlenecks. Dadon, I don't know how to say your name either. But if I did, I would totally wear my turtlenecks. I would totally wear them on a hot day. If that's what I like. And I'll tell you another thing is funny. I don't like pearl snap or button down shirts with short sleeves. I don't like it. Like what the guy wore, like the guy in Falling Down probably was wearing. That movie. You know what I mean? A shirt, button down, short sleeve. It's like it says, I have a button down shirt, so I'm serious. I'm an old grandpa, and I don't mind discomfort to look a little bit more whatever. Not necessarily fancy, but a little more formal, a little more grown up. But then it's got short sleeves on it. To me, I hate the way they look. I hate the way they look. I passed up so many great shirts because they're short sleeve. I don't like them. But then, like a hobo, I don't tuck the shirt in and I roll up sleeves. That's just me. It's just the way I like to dress, folks. Guys, I had one brilliant move. I played 91.3% accuracy. My opponent played 69%. There are 0 blunders, 0 misses. I made 1 mistake. He made 2. 1 inaccuracy for each of us. I played like a 2250. He played like a 1300. Let's get into it. E4, E5. Join the tournament, guy. Or A6. That's good. D4 is best. Yeah, dude, look. See, on this move, Daniel, this is so standard. This is so stock. The best move, according to Stockfish, is D4. Why? He's letting me have the center. Take it. I played knight f3 because castle. But it's all good. Charlie, have you watched the World Cup at all? Or is that sport not your cup of tea? Oopie, I haven't. Ariane, how you doing? Good to see you. Yeah, looks lovely. Hell yeah. Thanks. I'm trying to think if I ever played a game of soccer. So in other words, soccer's not my thing. I don't dislike it. I love the idea of it. I see how big it is and how much it means to people and how your soccer superstars mean so much to you. You know what I'm saying? And I love that. I love the international flair of it. I love the fact that we have American football, which is awesome. I don't watch that too much either. I'm not a big sport guy. More likely to watch football or go to a football game than watch soccer or go to a soccer game. But yeah, soccer I wasn't raised on it, you know? Dad wasn't watching soccer and talking about that soccer. Watch the soccer man kick the ball. He's so good. I'd go out in the yard and try and get good at soccer because I'm a kid, right? No, my dad watched a little bit of football, Super Bowl stuff. My dad liked to watch boxing. That's what I saw. Tamara, how you doing? Hey, Dadon. Thank you for the subscription, guys. YouTube is blown up. We broke 3,000 subs on YouTube yesterday. Thank you guys so much. You think, well, if you have almost 21,000 on Facebook, why is it so exciting to get 3,000 on YouTube? It's a really big deal. And it's just not something one does not simply just get 3,000 subs on YouTube. You got to show up, you got to work hard, and you got to have the best community in the world. You got to have the right people show up and say, hey, this guy's not too bad. We're going to check him out. D4 was the best move. Knight F3. Now I play D4, and it wants Knight C3. Okay, Stockfish. Is there any master games in the database? There are, but they're hobos. There's no Hikaru games, guys. Okay, D5. Yeah, Stockfish, I know wants... This is important, Daniel. E5, C5, we're in a French, but I think I'm up a tempo. And I just says just take it. Because... Oh, no. No, it's not a French. It's like a... Well, when you play E6, it's a French. After they play C5 and E6, it's a French structure. Right? Let's just say I play Bishop D3, E6. French structure. Parlez-vous Française? I developed... Okay, wait. So I did play D4, Knight C3, Bishop G4. And it wants H3 right now. Bishop E3 is the second best move. I wanted to play Stockfish's favorite move. But I didn't like this. Takes. You don't even take with the queen defending. You play knight and you give him this pawn. If he takes, what happens? Bishop E3. Takes. Bishop C4, threatening the check and almost certainly mating the double. Guys, this is the double rook sacrifice. Daniel Evans says, I think you told me that, or Dina was mad. One of you said to listen. Wait, I was going to say that it's tight. Okay, wait. I think you told me that, or Dina was mad. One of you said to listen. I'm not sure. Hello, do you play better with black or white? And do you like to play more with black or white, or does it matter to you? My win percentage with white is 55 and with black is 50, which feels crazy. When you get the first move as white, I mean, it's pretty... Until Stockfish solves chess, the beginning valuation at the beginning of a game, white is better. He's ahead one move. It's huge. So, look at this. Look, this is the double rook sack, guys. Bishop, check. King E2 is +4 here, guys. Takes, and now it's mate in 5. Check, King D7. Bishop B6. Look at that. Look how much time we have. His queen can't play, and we just bring our bishop to cut him off. Wow. His best move is queen D1 check, sacking the queen to last one more move. Okay, besides all those, let's say he plays C5. Queen E6 check. Queen E8. And checkmate. Guys, the double rook sack. This is a theme in chess. And Daniel, just the opening. Okay. Remember this idea. Have you ever seen the double rook sacrifice, Daniel? This is a thing. If I said a double rook sacrifice, and I said, Hikaru, show me the double rook sacrifice, he would set up a position like this. And the point is, the queen's out of play. You traded 2 inactive rooks permanently to make an inactive queen for a few moves, but you're attacking the king. It's a beautiful thing. Wow, that was really cool. Oh yeah, so we didn't do that. I didn't. I was too scared. E6. No, he plays knight. Yeah, bishop d2. Oh, man. It hates bishop c4 because of e6. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I should play bishop. Just save the bishop. Stockfish's also looking at knight e4, which I considered, but I didn't see anything. Knight e4, where I'm coming to this square. I don't know. How much longer till the tournament starts, guys? Oh, half an hour, guys. You got plenty of time to get in a tournament. I'm already in. Charlie the Legend, Jackal, how you doing, man? So do I like to play black or white better? To be honest, I'm going to give you my honest answer. I know what the answer is. I don't really have a preference. I would take white. If I was going to play one game for $100 and the guy said you can have white or black, I would take white. But when I'm playing chess, one is not, I don't like one more than the other. When you're playing in a tournament, you normally they alternate. White, black, white, black, white, black. Sometimes you'll have two blacks in a row, and people complain about it. Wham, two blacks in a row, and then they go out and they blunder a piece anyway. It doesn't matter. But for me, I just don't think about it. I just don't think about it. I love chess. I love when I'm playing black. I love when I'm playing white. The system makes it to where I pretty much get an even number of blacks and whites. And that's important because my opponent needs to get an even number of blacks and whites too. Otherwise, it's not fair. Greek, how you doing, brother? Playing a tournament today? All right. Dude, look at this game. Look at this game, Greek. Look at this game. Look at this game. My opponent wastes a pawn move. Then he waits another pawn move. Then he plays a pawn move. Okay, look at the development. You know why I'm so far ahead in development? Multiple pawn moves, and his bishop is blocked. And he moves the knight twice. So I said, I'm taking time. I play bishop c4. If he takes, it's not mate, but it's pretty naughty. Queen f7, king d7. Is it bishop f4? Nope, bishop e6, king c7. And then you just take. Excuse me. Then probably play rook b1 and threaten checkmate. Yeah, that's insane. That's insane. That's insane. That's insane. But he played e6. Good move. I considered knight e4, but I didn't want to give the bishop up. So I took, takes, and then I played bishop back with tempo on the pawn. Right? I need water. Can't play. Have to get up for work early tomorrow. Greek, love you, brother. We'll miss you. We'll miss you. Haha. Oh my God, haha. What do you like? White or black? Does anyone really have a great feeling for really? I'm sure there are people do. You know what though? If you like playing black better than white, I think you need to work on your white openings and make them, whatever is happening on the black side, have that same kind of fun on the white side. Because you'll have the same fun and you'll be up a move. Yeah. Knight. And that's one of the best moves. Knight. C3 is the move here to stop this. Castle is third best move, and that's what I did. But I wanted the castle there, and I really didn't want rook c8 coming at some point. If I castle, there could be malarkey and chicanery afoot. Why? Yeah, I guess they do say there is trouble afoot. I'm like, why does it have to be shenanigans afoot or chicanery afoot? You can play both, but I'm statistically better with black. Wow. Yeah. Okay, so I could have done that, but now knight b4 is the best move. King b1 is the best move. This is not an option, but it wasn't losing. It's not. Oh, no, it's a fifth best move. I played the fifth best move. Just play king b1. He should take this for sure. The rook gets lifted. Bishop e7. Queen Elizabeth II. And we're playing chess and it's +1. No. I took. This is a blunder. It's not a blunder. King D2 is better. The only way for advantage is King D2. I played King B1. What's wrong? Oh, because he has Knight C3 check and it's a draw. BC3. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This guy could have had a move. I could play... Okay. I didn't know that. I didn't know this, guys. I didn't know it was... I didn't know that chicanery was afoot. So he saves his knight, not seeing my great move, Bishop G6. His best move is King D7, and I take the rook. Wow. Yeah, King D7, I take the rook, because if he takes here, we have this. That's pretty bad, right? So his best move is King D7, or to take the bishop. Then I take, and I'm on, and then he has to save the king. Why can he not? Oh, he can't because of the bishop check. Wow, he's losing another piece, guys. This is too much. So he played this interesting move. It's mate in 15, and Queen F7 check is the best move. King D8, and then Rook take H8 is the best move, and he resigned. He resigned because check. This check, yep, Rook D3, right? Check, right? Check, C3. No, Rook C3 is better. Look at that. Stops the check, cuts the king off. Rook C3 is brutal. Queen C5 is his best move, like to slow down the checkmate. Queen B5 is a move, but what's happening here? This is just mate because of the rook. Wow, he chased my rook to cut him off. That's pretty awesome, man. Yeah. Tournament, Coco, yeah. Tournament day. It's Wednesday. Coco, do you guys not wake up every Wednesday morning and say, Mom, it's tournament day? She's like, well, go join. Go register. How do you get in? How do you register for the tournament, son? Get in the game. Play online. Oh, my God. Dude, we got a group. It warms my heart. Dude, I love Tournament Day. It's the biggest stream of the week, folks. So far, we got Lust and Alex coming in at 2201. And bringing up the lower rating people is Villa Michael, Stan 99 SP. Hero passes in. Love it. The Kermel T. I see. He told me how to say it, and then I'm not remembering it. He was here. He was here. Let me see. How do you tell me to say it? Crumelty with it. But it has an X though. How is X pronounced ooh with two dots on it? That means ooh, right? Two dots on a U is ooh. It's like a line. It's like we use a line. Hard U. Creek says just checked. Wins with white 55, with black 45. We can check mine. What's the time constraints for the tourney? I don't look at it as time constraints. I look for it as time opportunities. And you will have 10 minutes on your clock with a bonus of 5 seconds added to that 10 minutes for every move you complete by yourself without cheating. Yeah. And that's how much time that you will have opportunities to play the best you can play and get better at chess. Super duper hello. The X is just a placeholder because not every side. Oh, cruelty. Got you. Positive mindset. Hey, Zgos. I'm not positive, over the top, ridiculous positive. Okay? But sometimes it's fun to be positive, right? Like that was dumb, but it was fun. Hey, guys, there's a pinned comment. Click on Chess Chillers. If you're already in the Chess Chillers, you'll see Join Tournament. Then click Join. If you're not, you will see Join Chess Chillers, probably a green button. And then you will see, once you join the tournament, you will see a green button to join the tournament. Get in the tournament, guys. Oh my God. Dude, the tournament's growing again. You know, we used to have like 40. I think the max players we ever had was 49, but of course that was back in the day when everyone was stuck at home. No reason. God, I said it last night at my open mic. I was telling him at my open mic, I said, we've been doing this for 5 years. I was talking to the crowd. We've been hosting this open mic for 5 years. I said, well, we took a year off. I said, well, I took a year off, but so did you. Right? Because, maybe they were first responders. There were 3 older gentlemen. Well, I say they're old. They might have been my age. They just maybe were all bald and just looked old. And nice guys. They were sitting at the front table, and they were enjoying the music. And when they left, I heard them speaking. It sounded like the beginning of the Def Leppard song. Oh, that Gleebden, Glabden, Globden. Or like the chef on the Muppets. Could have been Swedish then. I was thinking like maybe Norway, but they were from, these guys, they weren't from Texas, okay? And real nice guys. When they were walking out, I said, hey guys, thanks for being here. And then when they said goodbye, I'm like, oh, these guys are from Europe. These guys they're on vacation. My open mic is in Marble Falls that I host every Tuesday. And Marble Falls is a resort style town. There's a lake. There's lots of hotels. There's lots of stuff that it's beautiful, beautiful area. Guys, I live in one of the prettiest areas in the world, the hill country of Texas. Watch a YouTube video. There's videos about the hill country of Texas. Watch one. You'll be like, oh, okay. I thought Charlie lived in Texas where there's flat dirt and tumbleweeds everywhere. I don't think I've seen it. Yeah, I actually have seen a tumbleweed since I got here, but there's no tumbleweeds where I live, guys. In the hill country, there's lakes. There's hills. There's a mountain they call Lookout Mountain. It's not even a hill. It's just like more of a lump. You drive over it. It's no big deal. Osler's playing. Osler's in. Osler! Did you play last week? Osler's 2075. Osler, you're strong like bull. Osler from Twitch. And I got you, Crumelty. I got you now, dude. I love it. Now I remember it. We understand that which we make dialogue about. I talked about it. I understood why there's an X instead of a U. Now I know Crumelty. I know what it means. I know what it means, and I'll remember. Now I can say your name correctly. It's freaking awesome. Super Duper, hello. How you doing, Super Duper? You gonna play? Get involved. Okay, we're gonna go to. When does tournament start? 22chess.com. Well, actually, it starts at 17chess.com minutes. So how do you find out how you do that? You go here and I go to stats. You play guitar? Dope. You like to play known songs or do you like to make your own music? Both. The thing about me with writing music is it's almost therapeutic. So when I don't have a feeling in my heart, it could be a good feeling, a bad feeling, a melancholy feeling, a sad feeling, an excited feeling, whatever feeling. When I have a feeling and I want to get it out of my heart, I put it on paper and I write a song. Therefore, the last song I wrote was probably a couple years ago. I'll tell you something though. There are professional songwriters like the Beatles. They would just sit, John and Paul would just sit there and write songs all day, and they would write insanely great songs. The more, it's like lifting weights. The more you exercise the muscle, you get better at it, right? Yeah. I know people that they'll brag and they'll be like, I've written over 200 songs. But how many can you play? How many can you sing for me right now? They don't know those songs. They don't care about those songs. I can write 200 songs and say, I wrote 200 songs. Let me hear the songs. First off, you can't play them because you don't know them because they weren't worth learning. Right? Second off, I don't know. So I can sing pretty much. Sometimes I don't sing one of my songs for like 10 or 15 years. And then I have trouble remembering it. And so I'll have to kind of play it a few times to get the words back. And then it's good for a few weeks or months or years. Stats, my stats. Overview. Play the guitar. Yeah, you're in. Yeah. I sang a song I wrote last night at my open mic. There's an open mic Sunday. It's more of a songwriter showcase. Okay. My open mic, there's people playing pool. There's people playing pinball. There's people talking while people are performing and stuff. Because it's an open mic. But the singer-songwriter showcase is a little bit more of when other people are performing, you keep your big mouth shut and don't flap your gums, and you listen. If you need to talk, you go outside. Maybe whisper, but don't. But it's more of a respect and focus of the songwriting craft, okay? And these guys do this once a month. The guy who hosts this thing, you guys know who Miranda Lambert is? This guy, his name's John Arthur Martinez. He's a great singer, and he's a real nice guy. And he writes great songs, too. He was on a show called Nashville Star. It was kind of like American Idol. It's called Nashville Star, okay? He got second place on Nashville Star, which is insane. And you know who got first place? Miranda Lambert. That's how good he is. Like, Miranda Lambert was a little bit better than him on that show. But he's good. He's really good. And so I'm going to go see him and probably put my name down and get up and sing. I don't know how many songs they're going to let me sing. But I've got a song that I co-wrote with a friend of mine that I might sing on Sunday. You wrote one song when I was in guitar flow state. Haven't been able to replicate it since. Hopefully it finds me again someday. Yeah, well, Zgosh, if you really love what you came up with that day, there's nothing wrong with forcing yourself to write songs. That's what John and Paul did. They'd be like, I'll meet you tonight. We'll write. And they would write songs. And they got good at it. Right? They were good at it, and they got better at it. But, yeah, man, every song I've written means something to me. But here's the thing, too. Remember when I told you, when I write a song, it's about a feeling, right? So it might be about something that happened with me and my girlfriend. Dude, there's like, I think 4 or 5 of my songs are all about one girl. And then I have... Yeah, I guess my wife I was with for 21 years and wrote one song that I would consider being about her. It was about us. 1 or 2. And I've been with my current girlfriend for about 10 years, and I've written a song with her that kind of includes some of us. No, actually, I did kind of write a song. I think Making Pain might have come when we were very first dating. I love that song. But see, but here's the point. When I sing those songs, they mean a lot to me. Because they're real. They're real. There's no made up stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And that's why I have 12, 15, 17 songs is my entire body of work. How do I find out? Show more stats. How do you find out the black and the white advanced stats? How do you... Games? No. Overview? Okay. Oh, maybe I didn't scroll down. No. Stats? Awards? Clubs? Dude, how did you guys find that? I don't have it. I don't have it on chess.com. What's your Spotify? And if, what song do you recommend? Man, pre-med mix. I don't have a Spotify. My name is Charlie Sardo, exactly how it's spelt on my page. And there's a song I wrote that I love. I think it's a great song, and there's a pretty good recording of it on YouTube. That song is called A Honky Tonk Where, believe it or not. If you search for Charlie Sardo, a honky tonk where. If you search that on YouTube, you'll find it. It's black and white. It's me playing with full band, and that's a song I wrote. And it's a very simple song. It's a very simple song. There's two verses. There's two verses. And the second verse is almost exactly like the first verse, just with some slight changes. But I love the song. And I love that recording because I'm playing with my friends. Yeah, everyone in that band is my friend. So where do you find it? Stats, then turn on the mode you want. Stats. Oh, so I gotta. Okay, so like, let's say rapid. Okay. There we go. Okay, I got you. So they won't tell me black and white overall for all of my games. I have to micromanage it. Okay. And then, oh, all games white. Black. I show detailed stats. All games. Highest rating, best win streak, average opponent rating, advanced stats, openings, tactics, and games brilliant moves. I don't know how to use chess.com, guys, and I freaking live on chess.com. It's my life. Tournament starts in 8 minutes. We need more coffee. We need more coffee, guys. Is Facebook not posting the comments, or is my Facebook just chilling? It's fine. It's fine if you're chilling. It's fine if you're chilling. Guys, if you're out there chilling, I got news for you. Yeah, you're definitely chilling. Guys, if you're out there chilling, look. Chess can be stinking scary, okay? What book do I buy? How do I hang around people that don't make me feel stupid, right? How do I get better? My mean Uncle Billy beats me at chess all the time. I'm scared. Thanksgiving is coming up. He's going to beat me again. What do I do? You get with a community, the best community in the world, the Chess Chillers. When you're in a community, you don't have to be afraid. There's safety in numbers. We help each other get better. And the biggest thing about that, when you get with a community, you know what happens? I'm going to tell you right now. My timing's way off. Baby noises happen. But if you get away from the community, the scary noises come back. Yeah. So if you're out there lurking, all I'm saying is you don't have to do anything, but you definitely want to hit the like button, definitely want to hit the sub button, follow button. Hit a button, guys. Get involved. Say hello in chat. If you don't want to yet, it's okay. You can keep lurking. This is for the lurkers. This is my love. This is my love to you who's not talking in chat. Lurker freaking love over here, guys. Guys, how do you find out on chess.com? Openings, tactics, strategy, endgames, brilliant moves, all games, highest rating. Okay, so what do I do now? Do you have a Discord? We don't really use it, man. Yeah. Accuracy. Insights will break down by color, by piece, missed mates, basically everything. Yeah, but where does it say if I do better playing as white or better as playing black? Now, I kind of got an idea because all games, I'm in the 98.9 percentile. With the white pieces, I'm in the 98.9 percentile. And with the black pieces, I'm in the 98.9 percentile, but maybe those don't change. I don't see where it tells me games won white versus black. Oh, wait. Average opponent rating. Okay, all games. Oh, here we go. No. Average opponent rating is 1643. Lower rated than me because I play you guys a lot. When I win, they're 1562. When I draw, 1750. When I lose, 1758. Okay, advanced stats. I mean, I'm looking at the openings because it's like I'm curious, right? But it doesn't help me. It doesn't tell me white or black. Opening stats. Average number of book moves. Grade. Exclamation point. 3.7. And my peers are 2.9. Opening accuracy, 92%. My peers, 87%. Average number of opening mistakes. I got a star. 0.4. My opponents make 0.6. My openings, therefore, I think are a stronger part of my game. I think it's telling me that. Why not Spotify? Because I don't care. I'm not making music to make money. This music, you know, this is my music, right, Pre-Med? This is me playing guitar. I recorded this music like 5 years ago for the chess stream for you. I don't make music to make money, and I don't make music to let lots of people hear it. It's not why I make music. I told you why I make music. I get something in my heart. I got to get it out of my heart. You know, sometimes there'll be a song, like, let's say a song like Brown Eyed Girl from Van Morrison. You know the song? I might hear it at the store, and it's stuck in my head. And you know how I get it out of my head? I go home and I play it. It might be stuck in my head for 2 days. And I'll tell my girlfriend, man, freaking Brown Eyed Girl stuck in my hair. Grab the guitar, sing it, and play it. It's like that's the way I get it out of my head, right? And, you know, my therapy when I have a feeling is to write a song about it. Now it goes out of my heart onto the paper. And then anytime I sing that song, I feel that feeling again. And it could be a sad feeling, could be a happy feeling, it could be whatever. But that's why I write songs. I don't write songs for people to hear. I don't mind if they hear them. I'm gonna sing them sometimes, but I'm not trying to get famous playing music or anything like that. Sicilian Defense. Okay, here's my openings. Performance by opening. Sicilian Defense, 60%. Bishop's opening, 83%. Carol Ken, 100%. Tournament starts in 3 minutes. We got to make coffee. Show all. Italian game, I don't do as well. Well, no, pretty good, man. Pretty high accuracy in my openings, man. Why do they not show the Latvian Gambito, though? Tactics. This is where I'm going to suck. It should talk to me about my peers and all that, because, yeah. Oh, no. Removed defenders, 66%, 74%. So why am I way better than all my peers? You know why? You know why, probably? And yet I'm not higher rated than my peers. They shouldn't be my peers because I'm better, according to these stats. Oh, way better. Strategy, attacking accuracy, 66%. My peers, 50%. It's because I stream and I dropped a bishop yesterday in a rapid game. Yeah, that's why. That's exactly why. It's okay, though. That's like, oh, my God! There's no way 24 players! Guys, we gotta make coffee. Guys, follow me to the coffee cam. Guys, this is important. I ran back here because I wanted to say this. The tournament's starting in a minute. Be sure your chess.com is active. Like, go into the little chat tab in the tournament and say, yo! So chess.com knows you're there. Because if it sees you inactive, it won't pair you. You get a buy that you don't want. Back to the coffee cam. Tournament started. Get your boards. My clock is ticking. I get to play Mr. I Have a Problem. I love for 1,042 rating points. And he's from the great country of Sweden. Is that how they talk, guys? I don't know how to speak Swedish. That's you, Super Duper? Dude, I love it. I freaking love it. Electro Falcon says, yes, that's how we talk. Dude, I saw a video the other day about... It was about some old song. It was a band in the UK. And they wrote a song with no words in it. It was just the guy babbling, trying to sound like Americans. Because English, they have their English accent, right? It's an accent for us, but that's actually the beginning English, right? Americans had that when they first came over, but now Americans we have our own accent. So this guy made a song about just making fun, kind of like going Obra Giblen Glablen Globden. People be like, "Oh, you mean Swedish, right?" Yeah, but am I saying words? Okay, I think we push. And then, can we do stupid stuff? I think I can actually do stupid stuff. You guys want to do stupid stuff? Check, because the knight can come with check. The queen, no, I'm just going to play this move. And then the knight move, because the knight... Mister, I have a problem. You might not. You might be fine. But let me just tell you, oh, you didn't say what does he threaten? Mister, I have a problem. You just found yourself a problem, all right. What does he threaten? And your knight goes on this square on f6. This knight belongs here. Don't put your knight on. Don't put it here unless you know for a fact there's a reason why. Just put it here. Your rating will go up. Okay. Is this the maneuver? Is it the louver? Do I play this move first? Maybe this move. And then that move? I don't know what to do! But yeah, your knight goes on f6. And what was your other mistake I was going to tell you before that? Oh yeah, you got to ask, what does he threaten every move? I mean, I had a clear threat. You know, and so your rating will go up if you ask that. I promise you, my friend. Doesn't mean I'm winning. Actually, you're crushing me on the clock. It's probably this move. But it could be this maneuver. Or d5 takes, king takes, check. And the fact that the board is open, that could be worth the sack. It really could be worth the sack. The knight moves, and then maybe bang, bang. It's like he's okay. He's okay. So maybe make a threatening, and then make another threat on g6. I mean on h6. I'm just going for it. I spent my time. We're going for it. Let's go! Xenia at Overwatch 2 main. Zenyatta is your Overwatch 2 main. Is that what you're saying? Love it. Made the tourney. Josh, you're in. Josh, are you biggest turnout yet? No. Biggest turnout in recent times, though. Biggest turnout in recent times. Yeah. But the numbers have been going up. The numerical values, guys. It's math. It's really boring. Don't listen to me. Josh, are you... Bill Stevens says, good luck, everyone. Josh, are you not... Oh, I don't know about this maneuver. This starts to open up the board. This makes a threat, but he just has G6, but then I have Knight G5. I'm doing it. Now I think it's time. Is he threatening anything? What is he threatening? Nothing. Just threaten mate. Okay, I think. Oh yeah, Josh, did you not learn a line against my Latvian? I was talking about this at the beginning of the stream. The Swiss Gambit, where you lose the first game of a Swiss tournament to get much better opponents later in the tournament to get a better score. This Swiss Gambit is a move, absolutely. Yeah, you can do it with a draw too. You don't always have to lose the first game. Around here, a lot of times, if I draw the first game, all the guys that are winning every game, they're playing each other. Yeah. And the trick then is to come in at the end, and you just got to beat the guy who's winning the tournament. You tie him. He will probably beat you on tie breaks, and you can get second place and get money. Whereas he had to fight and fight and fight the whole tournament. You were playing people at less points. Yep. The Swiss Gambit. It's a maneuver. Dave Joyce says, hey, Charlie and Chillers. Good luck to everyone playing in today's tournament. Dave Joyce, thank you, man. How you doing, brother? Love you. Whoa. Plays G6. Allowing the naughtiness with check. But is it the best maneuver? Threatening mate might be better. It is. Threatening mate. How can he stop the checkmate? I'm threatening this square. He can't block it. Well, I mean, okay, he can block it by breaking an El Centro. He can. He actually can. But then he loses his queen. So I think this is the move. But then it drops the bishop. No, I'm threatening mate. I'm just going to threaten the mate, guys. Threaten the amigos checkmate. Make him stop it. Queen D7. Check. Goes into the discovery and I win. Did this move first? Because once I play this move, bishop h6, and he plays the king back to e8, this Knight G5 doesn't threaten to win the queen. It does, however, still threaten checkmate, and I have a bishop developed. It's got to be this move. Final answer. Final amigos answer. What do you mean? He threatens mate in one. Who does? You're freaking me out. It's a brilliant probably because the bishop is hanging. Yeah. Maybe. Now, is there a queen sack? King takes. Knight check. If he goes back in his hole. This traps the queen, but I gave my queen up. You know what I'm saying? For an unhappy scenario. I think we threaten mate. You know, another way to threaten mate could be this weird move, but no, let's threaten mate. The beauty of this mate threat is simple. Not only am I threatening checkmate, I'm threatening to win his queen because his queen has no squares. Throwing it out there. Analysis for my opponent to use at his discretion, meaning you shouldn't be listening. Okay, he stops the checkmate. And we then... we win his queen for 2 pieces. And his king is still in the middle of the board. He could actually play knight, attacking my knight, and hit my queen, but I would take. And then when he takes my knight, I can take it. Yeah, he had that. He had that. But I can just win a piece. Wait. But my bishop's hanging at the end, guys. It's hanging at the end. No, because I'm on his queen. I'm on his queen. So. And I have a knight check to get out, too. So I think we go here. No, wait. That's not threatening the queen anymore. So we're going to take this way. Take a piece. And I'm still on his queen. And I'm on the bishop. I have a knight check to get out if I want. Forcing the king. Bishop gets away with check. With check. Guys, we got to get that coffee. You know, the Grandmaster that I... Okay, plays bishop, takes my knight. Right. Okay, and then... Do I attack a second piece? No, because bishop takes. I guess... We have to... So am I not winning a piece here? Yeah, I'll be up a piece. I'll be up a piece. Just take the Amigo's piece. What's better? The bishop's hanging, right? What if he tries to save the bishop? What if he just tried? See, the problem if bishop takes, I have c4, but it blocks my queen. He's going to have this. No, he can't. Doesn't have it now. I think we just take. And then we can maybe get on this pawn somehow. I can hit the rook and then take a valuable center pawn. I can take this pawn, unclogging his knight. Not doing that. I could play f4. Bring in the Amigo's rook. I could simply... You know what is funny? Knight a3 might be better than knight bd2 because keeping this file open. I guess we're going to just develop. Okay. And then. 4 minutes off. Huge time drop. 4 minutes off. The Grandmaster was saying about why people like me lose rapid games is because I want to see too much. And it's true. I'm here to play chess. I'm here to get better. I'm here to learn. I'm here to absorb the position. If the only way I can play is by playing chess where there's not enough time to do that, I'm willing to have a low rating. I don't care. I'm here to play chess. Don't remember it that well, but I think after winning the rook, you play the knight, try to get in front of the e-pawn. Yeah, I thought you learned something even better than that. Begin the opening of the Amigos scenario. I have to be very careful here. But what I'm doing here is opening the posizione, guys. It's French. Oh my God, I wanted to... Is he for... Wait for it. Wait for it. I gotta trade queens. And I'm not up a piece. I thought it was gonna be up a piece after all that. Huh! Okay, so my advantage is gone. Do I want to trade queens? Oh, I could just come back. Yeah, I could just... What do we talk about? Remember what we talked about? Then he has bishop g6, hitting. I guess I could come here. I'm trading queens. He has a center. I'm not winning this, guys. I'm losing on time. I had him. I had him. Let me just play a knight f6. Oh, he got my pawn. There's no way. I wanted that pawn. The rattlesnake made me move, guys. The rattlesnake got me. Brings the knight back. Okay. Threatening stuff. Ah, man. I was going to do the bishop and take it, but it's like, why not take it with the rook? Right? Take it with the rook with... Okay, brings the king. Okay. Just take it. Oh! Do you realize what you've done? Takes with the bishop. Wow. No reason. No reason. You know what the reason is, guys, right? Okay. The reason is now he can't move his knight to attack this pawn. It's to dominate the knight, guys. It's to dominate the Amigo's knight. And he's got 5 minutes on the clock. He's got me 1,000%. I'm in so much trouble. Okay. There we go. I told him the reason, guys. He's not listening. Okay. Defend the pawn. Just take it, man. Just check. Oh my God. How to get up a piece? There's a 5-second increment, folks. There's a 5-second. How to win a piece there? I don't even know how I won a piece. I just know I won a piece. Crazy session today. Piano, marimba, flute, clarinet, violin, and cello just got done. Now it's time for chess. That's awesome, dude. That's a lot of work. That's a lot of different instruments. Did you bust out the ribbon mic? Did you bust out the ribbon mic? I'm going to have to just go ahead and trade, guys. It's going to run out of pawn moves, folks. The king is king, and I'm getting more time. Dude. Bosnia. C-Clots, welcome Bosnia. He offers me a draw. No, man. You can't offer a draw. When was that? Was that a long time ago? When it looked a little bit more like a draw? You're having fun. Okay. The King Posizione, guys. It's Italian. Don't try and say it. You'll hurt yourselves. Where do we go? Here, I guess. What just happened? Dion here. Welcome, Dion. Charlie here. This is the problem with being up a full piece, right? And then we go to this square, we play G4, and we can just come back and take this. That's my pawn. See that pawn? That's my pawn. Guys, I'm up a piece. I'm up a piece and a pawn and King Posizione. Don't try and say it, guys. It's Parley-vous Francesi. This is 1,000,000% Stockfish move. Do we keep it? I think we keep it. I mean, it's a bishop. Never give him anything, guys. Never give him anything. Everything's protected, guys. He could come here technically, and if I push the pawn... No, he can't take my king protects. I could have just pushed the pawn, guys. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm probably holding up the tournament. Get rid of the amigo bishop, guys. The bishop's in the way. Now we made him with the king and the queen. He moved that fast? Good game, dude. Good game. Yeah, so Josh actually studied the Latvian Gambit. Last game of the round. Speaking of Josh versus Hero Pass, grabbing my water. Can't wait to look at that game because I'm going to find attacking moves in that game that I did not see. Because I was totally winning the opening. Did I get a brilliant? Yeah, and it was when I left my bishop hanging. Dude, you know what? There's a game I remember, Mr. I Have a Problem, that... It was a position similar to that. The guy's king was stuck in the middle, and I could take his queen with my knight and just be up a queen for a knight. And I didn't do it. I kept attacking. There were pieces everywhere. And then there were like, I don't want to exaggerate. It was at least 2 times I could have taken his queen for free or for a piece, and it wasn't the best move. It was like a slow attacking move was better. It was either 2 or 3 times. And on the 3rd or 4th time I could take his queen, I didn't take it again. And it was the best move. Of course, I won the game. But I wish I would have saved that game because I would make at least a short about it. Because it's amazing. It's amazing. Taking the queen wasn't the best move. I played the best move, and it wasn't a checkmate. It was like a more constricting attacking move. It was really cool. I was really proud of myself. Pat myself on the back. Just because you can get a queen, you never had the advantage. Did it really say that? Oh, super duper. Did I? Oh, wait. Oh, super duper is Mr. Okay, I got it now. Yeah, he never had the advantage, right? Okay, yep. The bar was in favor for white the whole game. And did I miss a mate? I probably... Well, you know what? Don't spoil it for me. Because I want to look at it myself. This is an amazing tournament today, guys. This is crazy. 29 players. Guys, You know a big part of it, guys? Believe it or not? 18 viewers on Twitch. There's no way we didn't get rated. I've been watching Twitch chat like a demon, guys, because that's where my opponent was. Dude, Guys, I have never had 18 viewers on Twitch without being rated. I'm telling you guys. Big things are happening here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. It's because of you guys. The best community in the world. We filter out the people that don't get it. There was a guy who didn't get it yesterday in chat. Dave Joe says, yep, the trusty knight check with the queen, shrink the box, and bring the king. Good game, guys. Yeah, it was fun. That was a pretty fun game. Pretty fun game. I had better moves. Soon I'll be 30, then 50, then 100, and even more. Best of luck, man. One more Twitch user. Well, dude, congrats. Electrofan. Yeah, that's like a really big deal to me. We hit 3,000 subs on YouTube yesterday. Again, it's a really big deal. I have 21,000 on Facebook. Just under 21,000. It's a really big deal to have the YouTube be growing like that. It's huge. It's crazy. And then to look over at my Twitch and see 18 people on Twitch without being rated, it's insane. It's insane, guys. Guys, if you're watching on Twitch, we just hit 600 followers on Twitch. We're at 664. Guys, there's a bonus you can get right now for free. And it is, you get to say, I was one of Charlie Sardo Gaming's first 1,000 followers. Hit follow button on Twitch. You'll be, worst thing that's going to happen, you're going to see Charlie Sardo Gaming in your feed sometimes. Playing chess. And other games like Elden Ring. I think I'm going to play Elden Ring tonight. I am 1,000,000% getting back to Red Dead Redemption 2. I love it. But I've been watching a lot of Elden Ring content, and it just makes me want to play. We got to think about a run, Josh, for tonight. I would love to think about a run for tonight. Maybe I'll hit Drew up. Drew's got a lot of good ideas. Drew has a lot of good ideas. The community does. I would just like to try and have an idea before I start. But we're going to do a community run tonight no matter what. We'll come up with a build. We can all throw it together. Make a nice low barrier of entry. I finished Elden Ring well over 100 times. And I have a character that's level 517 or something. And he's NG plus like 47 or 48. We'll be doing that run tonight. And it's a lot of fun. He has most of the gear in the game. So I can say, hey, let's do a playthrough with this dumb spell. Everyone's like, okay. They go to their main character. Josh has one. We all have one. We all have that one that's kind of geared up. And then we throw it together. Oh, this is an actual tournament, not some random arena. No, man, this is a tournament. It's a 5-round Swiss, brother. This is a tournament. I am making you guys play some chess. Zegos is one of one. AFM Kirby, very strong. This guy won the tournament last. This guy, AFM Kirby, got 3rd place in the cheater tournament. Oh, by the way, AFM Kirby, are you watching the stream, AFM Kirby? Are you watching? Reveal yourself. Whatever chat you're in, just say, yeah, I'm AFM Kirby. Jay Cook, again, thank you for the 50 stars. I love you. I appreciate you. I don't know why you don't see them over here, but I definitely see them. I see them on Facebook. Yeah. Let me see if I hit them again. Oh, I can't hit them again because I don't know why they're not on this list. Yeah, it's a Facebook thing. But I see it, and I got them. And thank you, Jay, for always supporting, always being such a great supporter of the stream. Hi, Charlie. I like the shirt. Abdel, thank you very much. This game could end with a 50-move rule. Well, it could, but in an hour. Because, because there's pawn moves and captures. White is winning. Yeah, the check was a great idea. White is clear. Yep, now you just check again. And then, like, take the pawn. And then you just take the pawn, maybe. Pushing is kind of fun. But, yeah, taking the pawn is better because you have... He has pieces. He has pieces. Now the knight... Now you can push... Okay, checks. The king has a safety net. If he hits the pawn, then you protect it. This is a great defender of rook checks. Then the knight will simply start macking more pawns, but more importantly, after the pawn pushes, the knight will come to this square. How do you get there? 1, 2 moves. Check the king out of the corner, and you trade. You actually trade the queen and the knight for the rook. Doesn't matter. He's going to check you again. And then you just run the king over and take the... What's he doing? Oh, he wanted to do that and block... And... Yeah, but... Yeah, okay, yeah. It's a maneuver. He's going for the pawn now, though. Push. Rook takes, hits the knight. So there a mistakes were made. Bada bing. Oh, he blocks. He blocks! But now he has rook check. King over king takes. You didn't see it? You have to play, like, check and then push the pawn. 1000% check. He doesn't want it. He doesn't want it, folks. Here come the checks. Oh, no! The bishop covers the check! No, you could have... Well, this works, too. Because the rook can't get behind the pawn. Okay, takes. The knight comes, covering the queening square! This is insane! Rook attacks the knight, push the pawn. The knight's defended by they're too much. The pieces are too much, folks. A while ago, they also missed a fork to capture the rook. Was there a fork missed, Electro Falcons? It's said so many times it loses its meaning, but I genuinely don't understand it. You accomplish nothing cheating and you turn your name into a giant poop stain in my eyes. Yeah, you know... Toasty, do you remember we were talking yesterday about playing rapid games or classical games is better than to learn chess than blitz and that kind of thing? A grandmaster was explaining, and I'm re-evaluating my opinion on that, but a grandmaster was explaining that most people don't have time to spend 20 hours a week on chess. And if you're learning how to play chess and you only play classical games, even if you can only play one a day, and that's a lot, right? So it's not a bad idea to go ahead and play rapid because you get to play more games. You need to play chess. You need to play chess. Dude, that was a crazy game, dude. Ian, good job, dude. That was Ian, Hero Pass. He's one of us, guys. He's one of us. Too many pawns for it to end with the 50. Yeah, exactly. Okay, Magnarod plays the F4 maneuver. You can just play. I didn't see it, guys. He has this move. I didn't see it. It's dumb, though, is a problem. Just move. Playing and analyzing one full classical game properly is much better than playing 10 blitz games and not analyzing daily. Simpliste, that is where I am starting to believe that that might not be the case, man. That might not be the case. That might not be the case. No, when you're starting to play chess, it's very important that you play. It's very important that you play chess. Wow, brings the rook. Prints a move. He prints moves over here. This guy's printing moves. Um. Right. Maybe hit that. Maybe no. I'm gonna bring pieces. I'm gonna bring all my pieces like a normal grandmaster. Bill Stevens says just castles. I know. I was trying to find something. The real truth is probably different for everyone's skill level and age play a factor. Well, let me tell you, when all the grandmasters became grandmasters, they did it by playing classical chess, but they played a lot of classical chess. And if most human beings don't have enough time in their life, what did I say I was going to do? I'm doing it. To play a whole bunch of classical, then you're not going to be playing enough chess to get better. You're going to get better so slow, right? At the beginning, especially at the beginning, 10 minutes. 10 minutes is fine. Especially at the beginning. It really is. Because they need to. It's okay if they lose. When you're starting at a chess, it doesn't matter if you win or lose. You should be fighting to win. That's how you get better. But it's important that you play, and that in a way is doing tactics. The queen comes to the amigo square. Just. Simple maneuvers. See, now I have this move. Oh, the real truth. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's important that you play, especially when you're starting. But if you live I mean, back in the day, I don't know what it's like right now. I don't think there's as many clubs going on. But when I was playing chess over the board 35 years ago, you could go to Arcadia on Monday night, and there was always a tournament going on. You could play a classical game on Monday night, and then you could go to like Lakewood or one of those other. I think I just do this now, right? On Tuesday, there was another tournament. And then on Wednesday, there was another tournament. And on Thursday, there was freaking Hughes. And on Friday was Pasadena. And you could do that after work. That's like going to a dart league or something. And you know what I'm saying? Just go back to your home. Go back to the pregame lobby. Okay, and then you can have a 9-to-5 job. You can't have wife and kids. But if you don't have wife and kids, you can work your 9-to-5 job. Okay, that's a maneuver. Can this knight go somewhere really cool? No. No. I guess we just take. I kind of want to keep pieces on. This is the only piece that's looking pretty good for him. This forces a maneuver. He's threatening to take a piece. Oh, I could play bishop takes, knight attacking the square, but then this is loose. No, it's not. Bishop, oh yeah, it is. It is. So this is a what do you call it? A little bit of a backwards thing. Strategic. Structural. I'm just winning a pawn? Am I winning a pawn? I don't know. Hey, Charlie. Hope all is well. Vegeta. Welcome to the stream. Don't remember that. Oh, yeah, I got that. Okay. He takes with the bishop. Now, this is protected. I can play check, queen takes, and a funny intermezzo. King takes. What about bishop takes? What if... Oh, this is check. This is check. Is this a mistake? I think it favors me. I don't know. I'm playing a little crazy. Magni Rod is playing a really good game. He developed all his pieces. He castled on the wrong side of the board. Yeah. Is that a thing when you play the... You play the bird? I was close to his smothered mate. No! Oh no! Really? Did the guy see it? Did the guy see it? If he did, kudos to him. Okay, now. And then... We take. Check. We take this back. We have to. Okay. Now and then I have to take my piece back. So take it back. And I think we're better. I think he just has rook. Guys, he might have this move. Oh, he's fine. That's a probably really good move. Hit the amigo's rook. Kick the knight. Kick the knight. And then take the pawn. Is that a move? I don't know. Do we take with the rook or the pawn? If we take with the rook, I think taking with the rook is fine. The knight comes back to its amigo square. Okay. Okay. We have ideas. Ideas. This is probably a pretty good one of those good ideas, like threading this, get on the square. He attacks my knight. Okay. I could defend it, or I could just take a pawn. I think we take a pawn because we're greedy and we don't have a lot of time. Okay. Oh, is he trapping my knight? There's no way. Yeah, that's probably not an altogether bad move. Bad move. Hey, I told you to say it. He's trapping my knight by playing this move. No, he's not, because it's protected. I'm going on the attack, guys. I'm a psycho. Is the rating not fair? What does it mean? Is the rating not fair? Xenia. Okay, yes, and now, and then, I can attack his pawn. I can kick his rook. I think attacking the pawn is the move. It's the Manunu! We're just going to take it. We're just going to take it. My knight is getting a game, guys. It's not even playing chess. That's probably not an altogether bad move. But I see stuff. See it? Okay, now. His king is better. I could probably just run. His king's coming this way. I could do this and then bring my king. And I believe that's a very simple way to win. Just go now. If he takes, go. He can step in the box. How do I defend this? Oh, I think I see it, but I can't do it from here. Knight, king, knight. You see it? I saw an idea, guys. I saw an idea. I don't know if it works, but I saw an idea. Okay. Check. Okay. We go now. We go. Yeah, that might not have been it. But guys, he's rated 900. What a game you're playing, dude. You're playing a very good game. You should be very proud of yourself. And, okay, Magnarod, your biggest mistake is you are moving way too fast. Like, in order for me to have a reasonable position against you, I think I need to bring my king, huh? I've had to use all my time. I'm not just winning because I'm higher rated. I'm winning because I'm using my time and I'm higher rated. Pritchard, how you doing? Welcome back. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm winning. Simplest. Okay. Finally. Oh, well, now I can come to this square. You know what's funny? Knight takes. Push pawn wins too, I believe. The knight can maybe slow the pawns down while the king runs, but then this runs. The king can't really... He can slow the pawns down, but... Okay, he's attacking my pawn. Just defender. Goes back. King up. King up. We got the pawn roller, guys. I'm up 4 pawns. That's too much. He's playing a good game. Thanks, Eco Voyager. Was fun. Missed that Rook Exchange. Felt the time creeping up on me. Says, Oopie. Dude, Eco Voyager is a really good player. There is nothing. There is no shame in losing to Eco Voyager. The only shame would be maybe if you didn't use your time and didn't try, or because I mean, Magnarod he had 9 minutes on his clock just a few moves ago. 9 minutes. It's a 10-minute game, bro. Take your time. You might be okay. Magnarod, you actually are probably rated 1300. You just aren't taking the game seriously. Because you played a lot of really good natural moves real fast. Okay. And then do we check? Let him in. Check. No, I think we take this. Or do we push? No. No, definitely. Oh my God, the rattlesnake. Oh, I didn't realize I was going to be okay. He plays a check. Where do I go? Here? That way there's no more checks, guys. I avoided the Amigos checks. I gotta move faster, I'm gonna lose. I have a check. Don't play it. Yeah, good game, dude. Good game. Magnarod, I'm telling you right now, I learned it from FIDE Master David Bassett, professional chess player and teacher. And we would be looking at people's games in our monthly chess workshops. If you are a subscriber on Twitch, a supporter on YouTube, or a supporter on Facebook, or a member on YouTube, you have access to our monthly chess workshops that you definitely want to get involved with. Not this weekend, but I believe next weekend, and I'll give you guys a heads up. And we'd be looking at someone's game, a low-rated player's game, and he would say, how much time does he have on his clock? And I never considered that. I learned it from FIDE Master David Bassett, professional teacher and personal friend. Great support over stream. Do you guys know Facebook stars? Facebook stars. Jay Cook sent me 50 stars and 50 stars. That's $1. It's huge. It keeps us alive. FIDE Master David Bassett one time sent me, how many would that be? How many would this be? I gotta get the calculator out. I know it took him like a couple of weeks to build him up. I can't believe it. I was trying to do this math in my head the other day, and I'm drawing blanks. Guys, he gave me $1,000 in stars at one time. It's 100,000 stars. It's 100,000 stars. And you know what? He gave me 110,000. No, he gave me 100,010 or something like that. Maybe it was 110,000 stars. He wanted, it was an extra $10 because he didn't want it just to be 1,000. He wanted it to be over 1,000. Yeah, what a guy. And, you know, in addition to that actual great supporting of the stream, let's check out the last game of the round. We got a friend request from The Roo. Love it. We're friends on chess.com. The Roo now. We help each other get better at chess. We take care of each other. I was supposed to say take care of each other first because it's more important. Hey, Charlie, next round I hope we get matched. Me too, Osler. You play well, man. I see your rating. Yeah, I'm taking these as a lesson, right? Only time I really focus playing people like Ego improves. Absolutely, Oopie. Dave Joy says, I remember that stream where FIDE Master David dropped 100,000+ stars. Very generous of him. Yeah, dude, you know what? I went from being... I mean, I was an experienced streamer at the time. It was probably about a year after we started or something, a year and a half maybe. I really didn't get any content out of it, which I should have. And I know I said thank you, but I didn't understand what just happened. I didn't understand what just happened. I'm like, 100,000 stars. What is it? How much? What? I mean, probably not even that much, but that's how I was feeling. I'm like, thank you. Oh my God, thank you. That's crazy. That's crazy. I think I was so overwhelmed by it that I didn't even react properly. You know what I'm saying? I just went dumb. Duh. What just happened? I remember where I was. I was at Courtney's house, streaming on the laptop. Yeah, on my road rig. That's a rough rig, man. That's a rough thing to do. I can do it on chess. It's not that hard because I can just take OBS and minimize it. I can make or make it real small, make a small chessboard, and then have a chat. That was one stream only to Facebook at the time. I'm taking you guys to the coffee cam. I think the game will still be there because I definitely got to get water. I grab my water. There's nothing in it, guys. Welcome to the coffee cam where we pour water. Board is up there, right? I felt like the weatherman, guys. What just happened? Killing Kings 215, love it. Is that like a chess? Is that a chess reference? Killing Kings? I hope so. 400 Elo missed the forced draw. No, did he have a draw? Did he have a draw? He might still could draw this. Oh, because you think White's winning. Oh, no, White's going this way. I don't know, man. I don't know if the king gets there in time. Killing Kings, love it. Love it. Welcome, Killing Kings. I like your name. That's commitment. He made his Twitch name Killing Kings. Play chess? Killing Kings. This is our weekly chess tournament. It's around 2 or 5. You might be able to late join. In the pinned comment, join Chess Chillers on chess.com. Hit the join button. You might be able to get in late. Yeah, now you got to run the king. Yeah, you let that go. Run the king. If he comes here, then you do this. And then you try and get the king in front of the pawns. I think black's winning. He could maybe push, and then he has to stop it. And then you push again, push again, push again. I don't know. I don't know. Does anybody know? You unalive kings? Yeah, right. You know, it's funny. People say unalive like the way things are moderated these days are the way they used to be. You used to have to enter like strings in quotes. Like a banned word list would have words and they had to be spelled exactly as you typed them in the banned word list. The computers just do, oh, look at this move. Find, wait, no, oh my God. But the king's coming now. The king is coming. Check, come here, Bing. I don't know. It's not a queen. Uh-oh. Comes back. Hits the rook. You can't hit the rook. Wow. Black figured it out. That's an amazing ending. Now, everything's moderated with AI. And not just now, like for a long time. Now let's see if you can mate with the king and the rook. So, unalive is just, it must be equal to saying kill. It must be. How could it not be? AI does it, it's not dumb. You're not tricking them. Back in the day, you could trick them. That's what lead speak came from. Yeah, G5 was winning Utron. Okay. Oh, he's... Except, yeah, the rook has to go very far away. The rook has to go... Well, I shouldn't say anything. I don't know if he's listening. I will say Troll's idea is to stay in the middle of the board. If he ever gives you a chance to go to the middle of the board, you go to the middle of the board. And you want him... And this rook is now going to have to go that way, right? Now you can play the king up. Exactly. And when he comes here, you run back. And it's not possible to mate with the king and a rook. Yeah, he wasted another move. Dude, Troll can do this. Good evening, Charlie. Noah, how you doing, man? So many players. I know, Calvin. Calvin, Eco Voyager winning with 2 out of 2. I got 2 out of 2. Atticus has 2 out of 2. Ooh, AFM Kirby gave up a draw. Dude, that's his first draw, I think, in a while, bro. Did AFM Kirby ever say anything in chat? I don't think he's watching the stream, guys. He's a strong player, though. 1751. I feel like he could be slightly underrated. Yeah, what a turnout, huh, Calvin? Dude. And you know what, Calvin? We hit 3,000 subs on YouTube yesterday, which is a... You just bring the rook back. It's too close. You don't want the rook close. Which is huge. And then today I looked over at my Twitch, and there were 18 viewers without a raid. I have never had 18 viewers without a raid. We're growing, baby. People like the community. People like the vibes here. All we got to do is keep getting exposed to them. That's why Facebook went to 21,000. But then Facebook stopped showing me to people, and then it sat there forever, right? YouTube shows me to people, so we grow there. Twitch shows me to people, so we grow there. You know what I'm saying? We just got to keep showing up, keep working hard, keep caring. Nice chilling spot. Yeah, it is, man. It is. Thank you, Osler. I am watching England versus Croatia. I think I must make a return to chess tourney. England versus Croatia. What's the score? Who's watching a game? Oh, you want to make the white king step into... Oh, my God. No! Why? This was a blunder. He tricked him. Guys, you just... Oh, no. This is force? I thought that was force. Wow, that's higher level than I thought. So that's a different way to mate? I didn't even know that one. Now I feel like a dummy. No, don't feel like a dummy when you learn. I just learned something. I didn't even know that was a thing. Guys, I have Atticus. He's one of us. Josh, what are we going to do tonight at Elden Ring, brother? We need a build. Mate theory, no, just shrink the box. Get the opposition, then mate. Troll, yeah. Well, Troll is rated 400, right? Yeah, game about to end. England's winning 4-2. Okay, I feel like I don't have a vibe of what's going on here. I feel like I don't have a vibe of like, follow, comment, and subscribe. They always put it here. So I'm putting it here. Hey, the Scandi. You like the Scandi, Tron? You know who plays the Scandi against me is Disguised Teriyaki. He's like 2,300. He plays the tournament sometimes. Oh, Dave Joyce is watching. He said, me 4-2, go England. Commiserations to anyone supporting Croatia and good luck for the rest of the World Cup. So is it pretty much over? You play Sicilian or Slav, though? I play a Latvian Gambit to have fun. And if I were to play, when I'm playing a higher rated player, well, if it's Blitz or Bullet, I'll play Latvian against anybody. But if I have a chance to play like a 2,300 player, I'll play a Sicilian. I'll play a Nadorf. Keeping it simple. I guess I chilled too much. Did you chill too much? Oh no, I was here in chat and offline from chess.com. Didn't get a match again. Yeah, you can't. Osler, you want 2 devices. I highly recommend, I will highly recommend this to all of you guys. This is really important. Get a laptop. Go to Walmart, get the cheapest laptop. You can't afford it, get a second job, get a laptop. Get the cheapest Windows 11 laptop you can get. You want to play chess with a mouse? You want to play with a bigger screen? So when you're studying, all your information is on this little screen and you got to scroll. Just Googling something is dumb on a phone. Because the scroll, you know, the word wrap and the results is... God, you got to have a PC, guys. You got to have a PC. I think if I play this move, he just plays Bishop G6. I feel like this is a move so I can play Bishop E3 maybe. I feel like A3 is a move to start the Amigos scenario. This in this position might be okay. Rook E1 is probably best, even though the bishop can pin, but it doesn't win. He could chase me back. This could be a move. Which was that the move? You play on your iPad. Congo gave Portugal a strong fight. Did they? Tron says, oh, spicy. Kind of nice, huh? D5 might have been the move, huh, Tron? It might have been the maneuver. I think white is better. I think that was a mistake. I think it was a mistake. Like, but what? Oh, Bishop E7. Bishop E7. Bishop E7, Bishop B4, Bishop E7, I think. Bishop B4 works too, though. Yeah. It is a good rule of thumb to get people out of prep those days. Ooh, spicy. Feels like it. Yeah. This is the kind of move that when you're doing the game review after, and you don't expect to be moving the same pawn twice in the opening. Right? You don't expect it. What did white do wrong? I mean, black. What did black do wrong? I'll tell you, it takes a long time to castle kingside. I mean, queenside. You know what I'm saying? And he developed one of his kingside pieces. If you take this move back and have Bishop E7... then you can just take. Right? You can just take and then castle. I don't know, man. It's not winning. I might be winning a pawn. I have a clearly better position. His king's in a little bit of trouble. And I'm going to probably win a pawn and get some structural damage. My chess sucks of late. I dropped so much elo, I barely win. Calvin, no! D5 is very rare. Usually black expects Bishop D2 to play C6 and drop the queen back. Yeah, the thing is, Bishop D2, it's a move, but it's not the best move. The bishop goes somewhere else. It goes to one of these squares, I think. It's probably F4. And I love the way that Josh is trying. He's using some time right now, guys. He's trying to come up with the best move. And he castles, yeah. Now. Yeah, pawn takes. He could hit my bishop, but I have queening 2. But yeah, see, so he's actually probably not that bad here. Pawn takes, knight b6. Pawn takes knight b6. And if I move the queen, he can take here. So pawn takes knight b6, queen e2, takes, bishop e6. And it's not as good as I thought it was. Dude, Josh, you might have solved it. I'm gonna shut chat off because there are strong players in chat, and if they point something out to me, like they'll ruin the whole game for me because I won't be able to play it. Chat is now off. I'm playing. Okay, and we're about the same on time. Do I have to do this? Pawn takes, knight b6, queen e2, knight takes. I have push. I do. Bishop takes, queen takes, rook over. I could get some pawns, and now I'm the one behind in development. Bishop d2 now. Pawn takes, knight takes. Is that a move? I don't know. I don't know if it's a move, guys. Troll. That was his guy's name, right? Not Troll the 400, but there's a guy in YouTube chat, Twitch chat. Yeah, Tron. Okay. I'm shut it back off. Tron. I can't see chat. Was that the move? It might have been. I got him thinking, folks. You guys understand? Okay, so he just takes. Okay, the thing is, I get to take here, and he attack on the queen. Hence the maneuver. Brings the queen. Okay. Then he's attacking squares. It's true. Now I could play knight e3, hitting the bishop, defending the bishop. Then he can play the knight move and get the bishop and maybe this pawn. There's no checks. Bishop e3, queen takes. Doesn't do anything. b4, queen takes. There's a fork, but there's too many pawns to capture. Queen e2. He just takes. This feels like a move. This feels like a move, man. I'm removing the best piece off the board, but from where it stands, but I think it might be the move. I said this move loses what? Knight takes. So I'm going to come back like a thief in the night. And hit the bishop. I think I screwed this up. I think I screwed it up. I need to play off his queen being in the wrong spot, guys. You know what I'm saying? Knight attacks the bishop, hit the queen. Okay, he saves it. Now I'm going to hit the queen. And start the pawn storm. Queen, shove again, let it come back. And then maybe shove. When the knight comes, I can maybe play back, defending our great world champion. Guys, Ding's back. He just beat a 2,500. Whoa. I don't have chat, guys. I don't have chat. Dude, the crazy thing, more viewers on Twitch across all platforms. Twitch! We got to get to 1,000. We're at 665. Hit it! You know the button, guys. You know the button. And you can sub too. You can use your Prime on Twitch for free, and you become a paid member of Charlie Sardo Gaming, supporting the stream and gaining access to our chess workshops, monthly chess workshops. We pull one of your games up, we do a review of it, we look at it, we talk about what you could have done better in the game. It's helped so many people. If you're rated under 1,000, it's huge. And you get to say, I'm the reason Charlie's here. Because all my supporters on Facebook, members on YouTube, and subscribers on Twitch, guys, well, I'm here because I want to be here, but you make it possible for me to be here. So thank you. The queen comes. Gosh. Oh, I want to turn on chat so bad. How do we hit it again? It's dumb. He wants to play the knight to this square. That's what he wants. Hitting both. I could play the move, and when he plays the move, I could play the maneuver. And then knight comes to this square, and it's going to be probably too much. So I really need to get my queen in a better position, but I don't know if this is the way. The knight wants to come to this square. Well, I could just take it. He would have to take with the queen. So I can... This square is a good square for this knight too, though. Oh, no, that's the one he's trying to do. That's the one he's trying to do right here. So I could play queen. I would rather my queen go this way. No cap. Because I want to attack his king. This move doesn't look right. I don't think I can protect this square, so I think I need to take care of it here. I could improve the knight and offer a trade of queens. I could improve the bishop. No, then he comes on my bishop. I have to move, guys. I keep giving him time advantages. Why do I do this to myself? You guys don't know. I freaking love this guy. Atticus, he's Josh. He's one of us. We played a lot of chess over the years and more Elden Ring. Considerably more Elden Ring. Josh is a little bit more of the late crowd. Josh will be there for the whole stream. But when the adulters have to go to sleep, oh, dude, look what he's doing. He's threatening stuff. Okay, yeah, he's going to bring a rook. I have to move. This is not a threat yet, but when he comes, it will be. We're going to do this. This stops this mate threat. It keeps the knight out. Threatens maybe g4. You say threaten weakening your king? No. That's dumb. I'm not going to do it. Josh probably isn't listening, but Josh, we got to think of a build for tonight. We're going to play, we're going to game. Elden Ring, 8 p.m. Facebook. The gaming streams still happen, but they're on YouTube and Twitch. We made Facebook to focus on chess only. And you know what? Facebook is actually, in the last just couple weeks, maybe a month, they're starting to feed me a little bit to people, man. Feels really good. They used to feed me all the time, but they don't feed me there. It's like they don't want anyone to know. Oh, the knight comes, attack king. Look at that square. I can't even trade queens. Bishop is nowhere good to go. The knight is a monster. F5 could be coming. Wow. Do you realize what you've done? Josh is outplaying me on the clock and on the clock. Queen takes. Is it over? Like, guys, I think I'm in a lot of trouble here. And I'm low on time. And Josh is 1571, dude. I'm telling you guys. Josh wasn't always 1571. I'm very proud of him. I'm loud and proud of him. Dude, I feel like I did okay. D5, I don't think was right, Tron. It felt right. It felt like a good move. Maybe my follow-up move to D5 wasn't correct. Yeah, it's very possible. It's a blitz game. It's rapid. It's like, I'm a classical player, guys. I'm an old man. I'm a grumpy old man. Hanging on to my misguided principles from 50 years ago. No, I like new ideas sometimes, guys. He's trying to, he just takes. Yep, and then he can move the knight and hit my bishop and threaten the check, but I just have to let him take the bishop. I just have to let him take the bishop. It's no big deal. And then at least we're not being mated, and we can maybe make some threats of our own. Yeah, yep. I saw this line and realized, wait for it. He's threatening my queen. So I have to. I had to, guys. I had no choice. I had no good choice. I just got an email. What? VidCon is next week. It's a message from YouTube. Is this person like a partner manager or something? VidCon is coming up next week. Unfortunately, I won't be attending this year, but Carol and Alex from my team will be there and would love to see you there. Check our schedule below and meetup times. Dude, Facebook, I'm telling you, man, back in the day, guys, like when Facebook went to VidCon, I would go and I would meet with the people that work at Facebook. I had an actual, wait, do I take with the knight or the queen? The queen isn't really in a bad spot right now, and the knight is doing defending and it's blocking a file, and I'm cool with it. Wow. Just save the bishop. Save the bishop. Bishop e5. Knight takes. Queen takes e2. Oh my god. Dude, I was so up on time. I should have moved this so much faster. There's this idea, but then he has bishop takes. So we have to go this way. Queen takes. And then maybe even... this square could be falling. That's not good. I could get rid of his bishop, though, and the square wouldn't fall. But it would open the file, but... I don't know. It's coming time to turn the tables on the clock. We have to be aware. Okay. Knight takes bishop. Okay. Okay. God, it's horrifying. Yeah. Yeah. He could push, but then okay. Okay. I literally came here, and it's not even threatening mate. It's not even threatening checkmate. Bishop, maybe. Knight comes with tempo. Yeah, okay, then we go... Oh, I can't even do that. Come back this way. He resigned. I thought I lost on time. Dude, what a game, Josh. What a game. You played so good. I thought you had me. You did have me. You did have me. You can look back at that game and you will see that you were winning. Probably going to get 3.5 out of 5 again. Had +3 against a 2000 and lost on a time blunder. Wow. You hate it. That's part of their rating. Your time is running. Hi, everyone. Ghoulie, how you doing? Welcome back. Jay Cook said, I lost my power cord from my PC somehow. Got another one coming, but that's why I haven't been playing in tournaments. He's right, though. People laptop is way better for chess. You lost your power cord like for a laptop? Like, you mean like the power supply? Because if it's just a power cord for your PC, that's the same power cord that I use for my Marshall full stack amp, which I don't have anymore. I was a half stack. It's the same one I use for everything. For my PA. It's a standard one. Playing the 2049, guys. This guy gets a Siciliano, and I'm going black. No chat for you guys. Okay, okay. What do you do here? D4. Takes. Brings the knight. Play D6. Or bring the knight. Right. And then play D6. Guys, the C file in Sicilian is good. Sometimes the B file can be better. Not even kidding. Putting this away. Man, I'm having such a great tournament day, guys. Yeah. Already looked at it. Right. Makes a Costello. Good. We must improve our kingside development. He's already castled, guys. E5 is coming? Really? Do I play E5, knight F5? No, I don't think I do. I could. It's a Sicilian thing, guys. You guys don't know it. I could play E6, E5 takes. He would do all this taking here first. I don't have D5. I Don't have A6. A6 is not. Get that out of your head. It's probably G6. Takes. Well, he's gonna have to take everything here first. He's gonna leave me with the Isolani, and I'm gonna get castled and not lose. That's probably. This is faster. E5. Takes. And then E5. I could threaten something and make him do everything. But it's not castling. That's a scary part. E5, knight F5. Oh, E5, bishop takes? Pawn takes? Knight F5 takes. Bishop E7. Probably isn't that bad. I have to do something. And my king is in the middle. E6. I think G6 is better long term, but it takes an extra move to castle, right? Oh no, E6, bishop E7, G6, bishop G7. And this controls F5 as well. I gotta move. Guys. I'm not scared. Come back to chat for a minute. Oh my god. Catch up to you guys. Oh. You're gonna get your power core back, Jay. Freaking Facebook crushing it. Transposed some kind of open Sicilian. Yes, it did. Yep. That's not outside interference. You know why? Because if I look on my thing, it says Sicilian defense, canal attack. Why would chess.com tell me the name of the opening while I'm playing it? That could give me, spark a memory and be like, oh, I think I studied this. Okay. %, take the tempo. Bishop comes back. Queen stopping E5. He comes back. Was that a slip? You're not going to suggest anything. Yeah, thanks, Tron. But you know what? Other people might. I have a rule, and it's part of my rating. If I see a move in chat that I didn't consider, and it's like if someone says like, dude, you have mate in 2. Sack the queen on H7 and then mate with the rook, and I see it. Well, I can't play the move. That's called cheating. So now, if I would have seen it myself, then I'll play it. I don't care if it's in chat or not. So that's why like I'm playing a rated 2000 right now, and I'm really trying to beat this guy. That's why I'm probably going to shut the chat off. I just want to be sure everything is, everyone's okay. Josh Crummer, time pressure. Yeah, got that. He just plays nothing. Okay. Just castles. E5. Okay. D5. D5. Oh, I had D5 there. I probably supposed to play D5. No, I wasn't, because I wasn't castled, guys. I wasn't castled. D5, pawn takes pawn. D5 loses that stuff. Bring a rook to the most open file on the board. It just controls squares. You know what I mean? Yeah. Now we have ideas. We have idea logs. We have bishop B6. It's probably dumb. Bring your rooks to files that are open or that you think might become open. This weird little pawn here, he's doing something. He's working, guys. We got a little worker bee. We got a worker bee. Queen comes. Threatening. I could just come to this square. Can I play d5 now? Oh, no, I don't have it anymore. I don't have it anymore. Darn it. Knight h5 could be the move, opening up the bishop. c5 gives this. This is... You can't play it. h5 is a move. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Darn it. I need a plan. I need a plan. I need a canal Panama. It's a canal attack. A man, a plan. That's what I need. I don't know what to do. Okay, I have open file here. Can't do anything with it. My pawns are kind of pointing this way, but I don't know what I'm doing with it. Bishop and then d5? Nobody gives him e5. Takes, and e5 triples my pawns. Wow. I literally think this is like the best move. e6. Then he just piles up on d6, man. I don't know what to do. Okay, so don't do something simple. There we go. It reminds me of some type of hedge structure for black. Yeah, that's kind of what it feels like. And aren't in those positions you kind of like do nothing. Maybe that's why I couldn't find a move, you know? Yeah, I don't know, man. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring and other games after dark. I've already got about 3-4 hours into my first Red Dead Redemption 2 playthrough. We're going to be getting to back to that. Probably do that tomorrow night. Tonight, I want to play Elden Ring. It's just been a long time since I played Elden Ring. Can a guy not play Elden Ring? Yeah, okay. Yeah. He's doing nothing. He wants me to make a mistake. I have to go... Maybe queen? Not knowing what to do. Yeah. Yes, Queen C4. I didn't see it! Shutting chat off again. Both Red Deads were so good and Elden Ring's a masterpiece. Yeah, man. No, we got a great Elden Ring community here. He wants to come to this square here. Takes, and then bring the knight. No, the queen can take. So that's not the maneuver. The knight wants to come to the square, and he's going to be looking at f5. That's a good move, and I can't stop it. I could play queen back. I feel like my queen's going to be a little bit out of play. We'll be hitting this. When he comes here, it's not good. So my queen's out of play. Can I do this? I'm doing it because I'm going to lose on time. I'm doing it! Knight. Oh, he comes to this square. Did I trap my queen? Did I trap? I could come. I might have to come there anyway. I can't take this. I can't attack anything of... Oh, I could just come away. I'm not losing anything. Dude, I almost just lost the game right there. I almost stepped into Discovery. Okay, now he's taking. Okay. That's not check, so we're going to get rid of this. Knight back. The knight's going to come in. It's going to come in. Now he's on this square, which I didn't see. Rook takes, and takes. I could play this move. I gotta move. Guys, I needed more time on that move. I needed more time on that move. Comes. Okay. That's a pretty good move. Take this. He's going to take this. No reason. It's because it covers this square. He takes that. And then... I could take here. I go here, right? And I think I lose a pawn. And he doesn't want it. He wants this pawn instead. Okay. I guess we defend it. I can't defend it. Defending! I could get this. He comes there. I think we come back. Okay. Bishop takes, pawn takes. Is this dumb? Is this dumb, guys? Knight back doesn't do anything. Coming up, I don't think does anything. Can't say anything, guys. I can't say anything. Like Magnus. No, not even like that. That was a joke. This is... I'll tell you one thing about this. Ada Spalinoia from UK. If I know anything about chess, this is a real game of chess. It's a real game of chess. Because I think he's had a lot of misses. I think he's had a lot of misses. I think his rating could go up if he stopped moving so fast. He's got me in time trouble, and he's got a better position, but he could have a crushing position by now, I believe. Check. Yeah, takes, and bishop. Takes, even if I take... Even if I take with the pawn, if I take with the bishop, I play f6, and he plays rook takes check. So this is probably enough. Rook takes, bishop check... I can't attack a rook. Rook takes bishop check. And I'm losing an exchange. If I push, I lose a piece. If I take to save the piece, it's the same thing, but he comes in like flint. He can just take now if he wants. He doesn't have to play the bishop check. Might be better. He does take now. Okay. Save the rook. Save the Amigo's rook. Yeah. And then get off of the check square. The bishop still covers this, so that's good. Bishop's move backwards. He's got an outside passer. That's bad. Didn't see it. Oh my god. Now I'm on the rook. It's some malarkey, maybe. No. Saves his bishop. Okay. You gotta shove the pawn, I think. I'm in trouble. Dave Joyce. I'm looking to my viewer account. Chat can't save me, guys. This chat screen is off. He's used half his time. Okay, takes. Takes. Now, what's wrong with taking here? Or coming here. I guess we take a pawn. I lost on time. I lost the thread of the time control, guys. I lost the thread of the time trouble. Sometimes it happens, guys. You'll know you're about to lose on time, and then you'll slow down into normal chess mode. Yeah, not the position. Yeah. Osler beat a 600 and said he played nice. Good for you, man. Both Red Deads were so good. Elden Ring is a masterpiece. I love that game. I mean, I just haven't played it for a few days, and I'm ready to get back to Elden Ring. You know, what's going on in the tournament, folks? I lost my first game. I'm actually not doing bad in the tournament. I win the rest of my games. We got one more game. Wow. And someone's got to beat Ida Splenolia. He's rated 2,000, guys. There's a 2,200. Lustin. What happened, Lustin? Lustin, get involved, brother. We need you to play Ida Splenolia last round and beat him. Let us check out the Rook. So there's a K on there. The Rook. Love it. We will check out Electro Falco, rated 1,200. Who's he playing? Falevo. Okay. I'm going to hit the bio real quick, guys. 1 second. What happened, guys? White won by checkmate. Who played white? Falebo? Yeah, it looks like Falebo. Good job, Falebo. And good try, Electro Falcon. You played a guy 300 points higher than you. 340 points or something. Yeah. Okay, last game of the round, folks. Atticus is getting a game against a 2200. Dude, Josh, you're doing great. You're getting great experience. You're doing okay in the tournament. You win a round or two. You get to play a bunch of good players. And this is great for your chess. It's why you're getting better. It's why Josh is getting better. Can we review your last game? I can't, because if I do that, then I'll like lose the... I won't be able to do the thing. I won't be able to do the thing. Next round, I'll get a 0-point buy. Yeah. You know what? What I was doing, and I think I'm going to go back to it. When I started streaming, it was by myself, no advertisement. I had no Instagram. I had a YouTube for my band page, which had, with a little bit of music on it. I had no Twitter. I had a Twitch, but I never streamed on it. I just started streaming on Facebook because I thought I'm just gonna play chess and study chess and go live. I didn't try and build it, but remember the shutdowns about almost 6 years ago? 6 years ago now, and a lot of people were at home, and people started coming in. People started giving me stars. Then I became a Facebook gaming partner and I got subscribers. 6 months after I started streaming, I quit my day job. Did this full time. I've done it full time ever since. And I did it specifically. Dan, the man with the 100 bits. Dan, I love you, man. Keep doing you, Charlie. You're awesome. Dude, Dan, you're awesome. Thank you for the 100 bits.
You're awesome.
Thank you. But I started streaming to play more chess, to get better at chess. I can't believe this guy is 1700. This guy is a crusher. I'm gonna beat him. I figured I can play a dragon against a bomb cloud thing. Just castles. So I did that, start getting better at chess. With the big long story, the bottom line is Thursdays I'm talking to Tron. Thursdays I used to do game review from the tournament and play viewers. But then I found out people like to do game reviews. People like you that want to get better at chess. But there are people... Do I just push this way? There are people that would rather just have me play. And I found out I would get more viewers longer if I didn't review my games and just played. So I did that to help grow the community. But I'm spending time not studying like I used to. You know what I'm saying? Do we kick this? I think we do. It's the best piece on the board, right? Make it go away. Make it go away. I keep thinking he's going to castle, but he can't because he wasted all those moves. And then we're going to push. Check or takes. Rook moves. Check. Thing is, he can already... he already can't castle. So it doesn't matter. You know what I mean? Do we take with the pawn or the knight? Kicking. Okay, we'll just come back. I think this was an idea. Yeah, we just come back. I think this was an idea to kind of lock my bishop in, guys. I think he had that idea. He didn't see it. He might realize if he goes over. Tron, thank you for the follow. Dude, you're a tough cookie, bro. You're in chat. We're getting along. We're talking chess. And, okay. Improve the Amigos Knight. Right? And then. Breaking El Centro? No. This could be a dumb move. This could be a move and get that pawn. I want to develop, so I'm just going to play bishop d7, guys. Bishop to the d7 maneuver. It's a square. And then when we start bringing rooks, yeah, he wants to do that. I think we want to take this bishop so bad with this king on the light squares. I could attack a pawn. The knight comes defending it. I could play d5. Doesn't do anything. e5 lets the knight in. f5. Took me a minute to find it, folks. It's the maneuver. F5 is the move. You guys don't know it. Don't try and play it yourselves. Yeah, so me and Tron are getting along great. We're talking in chat. 20 minutes later, he throws me the follow on Twitch. I love you, brother. Thank you. Okay, the knight comes looking at stuff. I can then play, but it doesn't do anything. He's looking at ideas, but they don't do anything. We're going to come here. This was a bit too much by white, at least for Rapid. Very classy. Hey, you know what? I'm not offended. I'm not offended. I will take the advantage. I will take the challenge. I think I'm doing okay. I think I'm doing okay. He wanted to come, but there's no kick Tron. Comes. Great. Takes. Wow. I think we don't take... I think we take... Wait. Do we do this? And then bring the king on the light squares? I have this square too, I just realized. It must be... Oh no. Knight check takes... Takes is probably pretty good. Kicking the knight is probably a good move too. I think I'm supposed to take... Yeah. I think this does it. Okay, now, I think this is the move. I think this is the move. Then I can come there and I can attack it. Another move is takes. But I give up a center pawn. Another move is improve the bishop. Another move is queen, threatening this. I think this is the move. I don't see where the knight's going is going to do any work. This is the move. Wow. Okay. We have to take. Check. Right? This guy. This guy's freaking me. I'm shutting chat off, though, because this game is pretty interesting. I think we simply... Because we're up a rook. He has rook to that square, so I think we do this. Oh, he could bring the knight. So I think we come here. And then we bring the other rook and we impin. Brings the queen. Okay, maybe here. Right. He could keep the pin and hit my rook. Then I could play queen. Okay. I can't come to this square. Oh, I can just take the pawn now, though, right? Because he's not pinned anymore. He hits my rook. Hits my rook, just defend it, I guess. Oh, I could play check. Dude, I think I played a good game. This is a really, really interesting game to go over. Win or lose. He's way up on the clock. He has twice as much time, so I'm in a lot of trouble here, guys. But because I was up all those tempi, right? Well, how did I take advantage of that? Do you know what I'm saying? It's a weird game. It's a weird game for sure. Yeah. It's a weird game for sure. Okay, he brings a rook to that square. I don't understand why. Well, he's losing, I think. Okay, rook. He'll start attacking pawns. I think we attack the knight. No, we attack the pawn. We attack the pawn. And then we can maybe come to this square. Maybe play this first. I don't know. The knight defends. Good. We come here. Okay. You know I'm horrified he's going to win, right? Like, pretty freaking scared. Right? Looked at it. Now he wants a pin with a threat. Right. But we get a check first. And we're going to take it. Okay. Just go, man. Right. Right. And then just... Yeah, this... Do a bring a rook with check. Bring a rook with check. Right. And then... Come back. Check. And that was to bring the rook back. That's to bring the rook back. Right. Right. Next we can hit the knight. We can hit the pawn. Right. And then... If I hit the knight, he's attacking my pawn. I can defend it. No, I can't. So he's getting that pawn. Well, not really. It's kind of a shame. My bishop is doing a lot. It's controlling some of the knight moves, right? Okay, then we come here. Okay, he comes and hits there, threatening. I don't see the threat. Check doesn't do anything. I think we take this pawn. We check. And we take this pawn. No. We come here. And I think we give him the rook, guys. I think we play check. King back takes. King takes rook. And then we push. This rook, this pawn will be protected. This one can be protected. And we will be up a bishop and a pawn. That's one way to do it. Trade down. Another way is just takes and leave knight forks. I have 3 minutes, 50 seconds. I think we do it. Is there anything better? I'm just doing it. Now, we defend the pawn. We defend the check. Great. Doesn't do anything. He attacks my pawn. Good. Good. I think we check. We check first. We defend this pawn. Comes here. I think we just take a pawn. This is the only way yet. I was going to say, the only way he can try and do anything is to try and, like, checkmate me. You know what I'm saying? I think we go this way, and we just run, the king will, yeah. Okay. He's trying to checkmate me, guys. He's trying to checkmate me. Bring rook back, I guess. I still have enough time to win, so just calm down. Push king up. I have to go somewhere. The thing is, I have tempo. I have tempi. Yeah, we come here. I have tempi. I can move a pawn and not move into the opposition and get checkmated, right? And we control the queening square. And I have 3 minutes, so I just have to watch the mate in ones. Which way do I want to go? This way? No, we go this way. Yeah. Right. Okay. Push. Push, he has king. So we just like cut the king off, keep everything good, and then we think about it. Oh wait, I come here. No, because I want to get my bishop here, but I don't want to give this pawn. So how do I do that? Okay, okay, and then I have a king. The king is a fighting piece. Maneuver! Did I have push? I don't think I did. No. This is probably the best move. He lets me in. Wow. Very interesting. Now. How now, brown cow? Love can build a bridge. Don't you guys think it's time? This was a really weird game. I mean, he played up on Cloud, guys. And he lost. He didn't lose yet. And another thing, Tron, I can't see chat. Another thing, Tron, is this end game. All the best moves I didn't play. Just what? It doesn't matter, right? Check. He plays king back. And he's off the rook. I can move the bishop. Don't even check. Just move the bishop now? Well, the rook has to get off the thing, right? So we'll go check. I could... Oh, wow. It just goes there. Cool. Just no reason. God. Freaking heart attack over here. Now, Lustin needs to beat Idis. And if he does, I can win the tournament. This is the game right here, guys. Let's... Idis spot... Oh, I come back to chat. Tron, what was that game, bro? The guy played a Bong Cloud. Is he streaming or something? Now it's easy. Not stalemate, please. Dan the man. Good game. Good game. Good game, LOL. I tried stalemate. Simpliste, is that you, Simpliste? Is that you, Simpliste? Way to make him pay. Yeah, yep. Kirby should play Blitz. He played a draw against me with 10 minutes on the clock and 11 now. Really? He probably does. He trolled that opening. Yeah, he did. He did. I don't normally play a dragon. I stopped playing the dragon a long time ago. But when I'm up, like, 3 Tempe and he can't castle, I'm like, I could play a dragon. Self-induced handicap or something. I guess so, Jay. Yeah, no, it's a Bong Cloud, man. It's a Bong Cloud. Ben Ray says, woo! My son finished 3 out of 5 today with 7.5 on his tie breaks. I'm super proud of him. Dude! Ben! That's awesome. Tell your son congratulations. We're talking about a chess tournament, right? You got the chess playing son. That is amazing. Tell him congratulations. We're really proud of him, man. He's representing the chillers at the grade school level. Did we just lose? Yeah, we lost. Adaspalanolia is just too strong like bull, guys. The tournament's over. Mr. Adasplanolias, 4.5 chess.com points. Next is me with 4 points out of 5. And third is Comfort KM with 4 out of 5. But I had much better tie breaks with 11. Comfort had 7.5. That's just why I got second place. What a great tournament. Comfort, good tournament. Who else did good? Eco Voyager, 4th place, no doubt. Atticus, 5th place. Dude, Josh, 5th place in a 29-player field. Looking pretty good, brother. Looking pretty good. Crooksmal T did okay, too, with 2 out of 5, guys. Rated 901. You guys did good, man. Also, Weber didn't do as well as me. He could have. It's unrated. People might, play maybe for a little more fun. Like, for instance, right? The guy just played the Bomb Cloud against me. Yeah, he said, yeah, okay, that was you. He played on 96, so not bad at all. Dude, I went on a big, long, what do you call it? Not a rant, but a side note. Out of Spinolia, we are now friends on chess.com. Evan DeZiggle, we are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. All right? You guys want to be part of the best community in the world? Hit the follow button on Facebook and Twitch. Hit the like button. Hit the freaking like button on YouTube, guys. We need more likes on YouTube. They're free. And YouTube, hit the sub button, man. It's free. Ooh, Comfort KM. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. Guys, I am starving. McMartin, you don't even know what I have for dinner, guys. I made pasta a few nights ago. And I have some sauce left, and it's been in the fridge for like 3 days. Flavors melding, guys. I just got to throw some water on, boil a little pasta. Ooh, it's got sausage in it. It's good. Be looking forward to joining you guys in the next tournament. Tron, absolutely, dude. Tron, I can tell when someone gets along with the community. We try and act like adults are. That means younger people can be here too. Sometimes we get some young men in here. They start getting a little nervous. We try and calm them down. If we can't, we got to let them go. There's a great place for, I think, like 13-year-old chess player boys, 12-year-olds, who maybe have never gone to the chess club. When you go to a chess club, you learn how to grow up. You just learn how to act. But some people have never done that. They play online, and then they play with their friends at school, and they just don't know how to act, right? This is a great place to learn how to act, guys. We act kind. We act lovingly. We try and get better at chess. We help take care of each other. It's the best community in the world. And I'm going to go eat my pasta. So definitely get involved. Hit like, follow, comment, subscribe. Freaking love you guys. Dan the Man, thanks for the 100 stars. Jay Cook, thanks for the stars for the 50 and the 50. You guys are absolutely amazing with the support. Thank you to all my subscribers, all my supporters, and all my members on YouTube. The giftage yesterday from Plague, 5 gifteds on Twitch, and 10 gifteds from Rich Castro on YouTube. Guys, if you become a $5 member, Twitch Prime you can do for free, right? Facebook supporter, YouTube subscriber, no, YouTube member. You get access to our monthly workshops. We're not going to do one this weekend. It'll be next weekend, but I'll give you guys plenty of heads up. It's usually 4 o'clock on a Saturday. The regular crowd rushes in. Dude, I could have sang that song. And it's a private chess stream where we study chess. We go over your games, and it's fun. So definitely if you're gonna use your Twitch Prime, use it here. You don't know what that is? Just link your Amazon Prime to your Twitch account, and then you get a free sub every month, and it costs you nothing. It's free, and you support the stream. Love you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for sitting through the commercials. Wait. We have to do a Twitch raid. Let me get the raid going on here. I'm going to shut the other streams out first. We're going to do a bonus game on Twitch, a 3-minute bonus raid. YouTube, I love you. Goodbye.